Alright, so welcome back again to Pinoy Screencast. I'm Arnavino, and today I'm going to show you on how to convert your YouTube videos to a .webm format, which is using the WP codec. And as you can see, if you visit my website, I have created a tutorial on how to do that. And it's very simple, actually. So this was introduced today by YouTube, and they are now implementing the new codec, and as you can see, they have announced that they are starting to encode the new VP9 codec for the YouTube, which is really faster, less bandwidth consumption. Alright, so here as you can see, you need first to download the plugin for the Adobe Premiere. So there are tons of tutorials out there for other formats or other software that you can use, but then in this tutorial I'll be showing you on how to use it on the popular Adobe Premiere. The first thing you need to do is go to the GitHub, and here, as you can see, you will see that this is the Adobe WebM, and you can download, depends on what format are you going to use. So if you want to download the Mac or Windows, so since I'm using Windows, I'll just download this one. And once you have downloaded that, alright, so this is the file, and you can see you can read the readme.txt, which has all the description on what are you going to do here. So all you have to do is just copy this one on the Windows here, and then you need to paste it and copy the webm.prm in the media core folder of the Adobe Premiere. And on the plugins, once you have installed that, you can now open the Adobe Premiere, and you can see that when you encode the video, you will have a new codec settings, which is the WebM. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you my recent video that I have converted, and the main difference is I have converted it to that MP4 file, and it has a really huge difference in terms of file size. So my previous video was about 8 MB, and that is on the MP4 format, but then after converting it to the WebM, it just had a size of 1 MB. Alright, so here on the settings, export settings, you need to go here. So as you can see, this is the default H.264, and it's roughly around 52 MB, but then it will change upon the final conversion. So now you will see the WebM format, and then there's a custom preset as a default, and then you can go to the video, and I have a 1080p video size, and here on the codec settings you can choose if you want to VP8 or VP9. So there are 4 methods: the constant quality, constrained quality, constant bitrate, variable bitrate. So you can go experiment with this one, and I also have a link on the website where you can go check out what are the difference of this one, so you can go check this out. Okay, so here I'll be just using the default of the 50% quality, which is the same quality that I have uploaded on the YouTube. And then the sampling is here, you can go to the highest rate here, and then you can also convert it to a 12-bit if you want to. Alright, so now when I queue this one and convert it to the media encoder, it will have a .webm format, which is using the VP9 codec. It will have this kind of a file format, which is this one. I have already converted it a while ago, and as you can see, it's almost just 1.87 megabytes, and it will have the XMP file. But then the only disadvantage is you don't have the properties with this one. So this is the MP4. As you can see, you have the bitrate and there's stuff there. But then on the WebM, it's all in the .xmp. So on the .xmp file, it will have all the necessary information for the details on the video that you have converted. So you just have to upload it on YouTube, and you will have the same process on your other videos that you're uploading on YouTube, but then you will have a better result. So I'll just go back to my website, and as you can see, this one, when I play the MP4 format, so As you can see, it buffers because this is a 360p, but then when I convert it into a 1080p, so you can see it took around a couple of seconds before it jumps to the last buffer. But then here on the WebM format, when I play this one, so here full 1080p, it buffers, but then it just took a couple of seconds and it's done. Okay, so this one on the buffering on the first seconds, it takes a while, so that's the main difference. And there you go. So the quality is almost the same, so you can go tweak the settings on the encoding to have a better quality if you want to. And there you go. That's how easy it is to convert your YouTube videos to the WebM format, and you can go check it out and have a better quality on your upcoming videos. Alright, so there you go. I'm Arnold of VP9 screencast.net, and see you on my next screencast.